Mr. Counsel, how many times you want to repeat the same thing and you want me to repeat the same thing? You had an opportunity of taking action in suspending the petitioner, or alternative, you have a ample power to initiate inquiry for remaining unauthorized absent and disobedience of the transfer order. You are not taken, therefore you have to suffer. Sir, Mr. Counsel, there is a lapse on the part of the head of the department in not taking any action for remaining unauthorized absence, and so also in not obeying the transfer order.
No, but
Even to this day, you have not initiated inquiry. Therefore, he is entitled.
he has stated
Pay the salary.
Serial number 5, Poonam Kumari versus the State of Bihar for the petitioner Sri Rajesh Kumar.
My Lord, in this case, my Lord, earlier so cause has been rejected by the Lordship and repeated only same matter in the so cause. No any interest in only repeated the same matter.
Yes, sir.
my lord, I am filing so cause, my lord.
What is that? Serve a copy on the other side.
My lord, petitioner has suppressed many material facts, my lord. Earlier petitioner.
Where is the order of the this court?
Earlier order in the CWJC number 4349 of Annexure A to the present so cause, my lord.
Annexure?
A, page 15. Today so cause filed.
Where is the order?
Order is in next page as page 17, my lord, Annexure B. That has been passed.
20. Where is the order?
Order is the page 17, my lord, that is Annexure B. Order has been passed on 8/11/2000, my lord.
1/8/2022.
20, my lord.
Annexure C.
Type copy.
Annexure C to the petition.
Annexure
Just now
B,
you
my
have served.
Annexure B.
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 B is dated some 2000.
2000, my lord. Region
What is
order
this?
Region order has been passed stating therein that from the period of transfer, my lord, and date of joining, petitioner has absent from duty. That's why her salary is not admissible.
Now, how this was communicated to the petitioner? Where is the communication?
Communication Annexure B, page 18, my lord. It has been.
No, how did you communicate this order, Annexure B, to the petitioner?
In the bottom line, my lord, Pratilipi, copy to the Srimati.
Sir, where is the material, sir? Having served on the petitioner.
Never communicated this matter. Never communicated.
No, prima facie, it seems you have created this document yesterday.
No, it has prior.
Show me the original. Show me the original of this.
Original is attached with his
No, this is not original.
It is the drafting.
Annexure B is not signature. There is no signature. It is only typed copy.
Then page 17 and 18 are the original photocopy, my lord.
Page?
17 and 18. That is order passed by the Nideshalaya.
How this has been communicated to the petitioner?
Never communicated.
Then it has been written in the bottom, my lord.
Show me the acknowledgement given by the petitioner that he is in receipt of this document. Where is the outward register?
That is with the civil sergeant, my lord, at Purnia. The Purnia civil sergeant has reported that he has joined there on 12/8/2000. 12/8/99, he was joined there
Joined where?
at transferee post, my lord, at Purnia
On what date?
on 12/8/99.
Huh?
12/8/1999.
12/8,
1999.
between 1/12/97 to 12, 11/8/99, he has not worked.
8/12/97.
What action you have taken? Have you suspended him?
He has not to report, not over.
Please answer, sir. Have you suspended him for remaining unauthorized absent?
No,
Have you initiated departmental inquiry?
no, my lord.
You are not done. So he is entitled to pay arrears of salary.
But he has not worked there, he has not.
Correct,
joined
sir.
there.
You initiate inquiry, you hang him. That is a different aspect. You have ample power, but you have not exercised the power of CCA rules.
My lord, his statement is that, my lord, because he has not given charge at transferee post.
Sir,
my lord,
Mr.
that-
Counsel, there is a lapse on the part of the head of the department in not taking any action for remaining unauthorized absence, and so also in not obeying the transfer order.
No, but in
Even to this day, you have not initiated inquiry. Therefore, he is entitled.
He has stated.
Pay the salary.
My lord, I am work there by the interim order passed by this honorable court, then I work there.
No, that's a different, scope of contempt is limited. You pay the arrears of salary.
My lord.
In the period for which he is not joined there. and he
Mr.
remained
Counsel,
absent.
how many times you want to repeat the same thing and you want me to repeat the same thing? You had an opportunity of taking action in suspending the petitioner. Or alternative, you have ample power to initiate inquiry for remaining unauthorized absent and disobedience of the transfer order. You are not taken. Therefore, you have to suffer.
Not taking action will get benefit of the petition, my lord.
You want to argue like this only, or shall I impose cost? You want to implement or not?
He just, my instruction is, my lord, he called for a report from the civil surgeon Purnia, my lord.
This court cannot wait for any reports. This court is not bound by any reports from the other corner of the state.
1 week my time is granted, my lord, so in the meantime, it is a very old.
All right, I will
old
impose
matter.
cost. I will impose cost. You take time.
It
Take
is
your own time.
Old matter of 2000, my lord. It is a old matter of 2000, my lord.
Sir, even if you call for report, nothing will happen because you have not taken any departmental inquiry to prove that he remained unauthorized absence. Therefore, he is not entitled to arrears of salary. At this distance of time, you can't initiate inquiry. Because of your lapse, departmental lapse, you have to pay.
So he pray 1 week time, my lord. So
Huh?
that he pray 1 week time. In the meantime,
For what?
In the meantime, he go to the record and scrutiny the
Huh?
matter. He will go to the records of the case from the Purnia.
Why he has not gone through all these days?
And, on the report,
All right, I will impose cost.
on the report of civil sergeant Purnia
All right,
that he has not joined here. That's why our salary has not.
per day 1,000 rupees. Cost per day 1,000 rupees. How many days you want?
Liberty, my lord.
Sir, please don't waste the court time. Other advocates are waiting.
My lord.
Take a decision. Yes, we are going to implement or we are not going to implement.
It is a monetary, it will occur in monetary
Huh?
loss. It will occur monetary loss to the estate, my lord.
Yes, take down. Mr. So and so is present in the court. Please stop. The petitioner claim is relating to payment of arrears of salary during the intervening period from 1/12/97 to 13/8/1999. Please stop. It is to be noted that the petitioner has not been paid arrears of salary for the aforesaid period. Full stop. State Council on instruction submitted that the petitioner is not petitioner / complainant is not entitled to arrears of salary for the reasons that he remained unauthorized absent from 1/12/1997 till 11/8/1999, and he has she has disobeyed the order of transfer. Full stop. In such an event, department / appointing authority was required to take necessary action in placing under suspension and further initiating disciplinary proceedings for remaining unauthorized absence. Full stop. Even to this day, there is inaction on the part of the respondent. Full stop. Merely stating that remaining unauthorized absent and petitioner / complainant is not entitled to arrears of salary cannot be appreciated. Full stop. Release this matter for compliance after 2 weeks, subject to payment of cost of rupees.
My lord, before imposing, my lord, my submission is the contempt.
Subject to payment of cost of rupees 10,000 in the High Court Legal Service Authority. Cost shall be remitted within a period of 10 days from today.
My lord, kindly have a look, a glance order, previous order passed in REIT 4349, my lord.
Huh?
Previous order of REIT, my lord, 4349, that is an X-ray. In that order, my lord, only direction has been given to pass a region order, my lord.
Oh, pass order. Who is prevented?
That is Annexure B. I have already.
No, Annexure B is not the correct order. Annexure B 2000 order. Where is the order?
Annexure A is the order dated 21/7/99, my lord.
At this stage, Land Council for the State pointed out Annexure A and B to the supplementary. What is this document? What is this?
Supplementary so cause on behalf of OP number 3.
Sir, what is this you have produced today?
My
Show cause, sir.
So cause, my lord.
On behalf of opposite party number 3, perusal of Annexure A, B, C. It is not evident that there is a compliance to the order. Full stop. As noted above, merely remaining unauthorized absence for a particular period, and there is inaction on the part of the department in not ascertaining as to whether unauthorized absence or absence amounts to misconduct, and such a decision is not forthcoming after holding an inquiry so as to deny arrears of salary to the petitioner complainant. Accordingly, the aforesaid submission with reference to document Annexure ABC stands rejected.
And my submission was, my lord, that as per Annexure A, my lord, order.
What is that Annexure A?
Annexure A, the earlier order passed in CWJC 4349, that is just speaking. And
Sir, this is not amount to compliance. You are irritating this court.
No, my lord, I am only submitting, my lord. Page say 16 may be kindly may look over.
Page 16.
16, my lord, of the order, my lord.
16.
16. As the aforesaid question cannot be determined in this case, petitioner is given liberty to move before the Director-in-Chief Health Department for payment of salary for the intervening period. In such case, the Director-in-Chief will dispose of the same within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of such representation, my lord. That representation by Annexure B, that has been considered. And
where is the communication made to the petitioner?
Communication made.
So again you are taking back to the same, back to square one.
I am submitting only on the basis of the Annexure B, my lord.
Sir, do you admit inquiry has not been held? Do you admit or not?
my lord.
Therefore, unauthorized absence has not been treated as unauthorized absent misconduct, and she is not entitled to arrears of salary in a domestic inquiry. Therefore, you are bound to pay the arrears of salary.
Serial number 6.
Sir,
Gauri.
read some, do some library. Go to number of judgments are there. How the matter is required to be held for unauthorized absence. You can't sleep over the file for decades.
One submission, my lord. Cost may be waive off, my lord.
If you say one word next, it will be increased
No,
to
my-
20,000.
He will ready to pass,
Huh?
he will ready to release the salary, my lord, only after it, going through the records of.
First you release and make an application for recalling the imposition of cost, then I will allow.
That may be. that
No,
may
why?
be- that may
You
be
first
recalled.
you settle and make an application for recalling the cost part. I will